heart. Some have no fur, some have lots.
Two legs, four legs, tail or not. Learn to love the you you've got because it's you.
And you do the things you do because you're you. And everything is new because you're growing up, getting stronger every day. Yeah. Growing up, getting stronger, growing up and away. Do the best that you can do. You'll do your best because you're you. You're gonna love the way you grow. There's so much more to know. Growing up, getting stronger every day. Yeah. Growing up, getting stronger, growing up and away. Getting stronger every day. Yeah. Growing up, getting stronger, growing up and away. Growing up,
Getting stronger
growing up,
every day.
growing up and away.
Siyempre, isang masaya-masayang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And welcome here at Jollibee Santa Ana kung saan isa-celebrate natin ang